Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to go over my January Ipsy box. I think they call this the XL box now. Used to be called Boxycharm. If you're not familiar, you get a box every month. You do fill out a questionnaire so that they know what your preferences are, what your skin type is, what your shade range is, and you get 5 full-sized items. They pick 2, you pick the other 3. I am generally very happy with my box. There are different variations, so I am here to share with you and apply for you the items that I got. I do have some makeup on my face right now. I, of course, will have it listed and linked in the description box, as well as more information about Ipsy. So if that sounds like fun, let's get into it. Inside the box, there is some packing paper, much appreciated. There is a card that says the year of yes. 2026 is your year to say yes to all. Experimenting with new eye looks, swiping on fresh lip color, testing out the hottest new brand. No pressure, no perfection, just the joy of trying something new. There's a QR code so you can get more information about your products, upcoming sales. I love the drop shop that Ipsy has. You can go in and purchase makeup at a big discount, skincare tools as well. Let's pull the first item. Oh, look at my new cup. Isn't that pretty? I got this on Amazon. It's from the brand Coldest. This is a 36 ounce. I really, really like it. First item I'll pull from my box is this one from Everden. This is the Hair and Body Fragrance Mist in Darling. Retails for $23. Here is the packaging. This feels like plastic. Make a scented statement. This soft, long-lasting hair and body mist wraps you in notes of rose, fresh strawberries, and vanilla for a fragrance that feels as dreamy as it smells. I was worried it would smell a lot like rose. It does not. It smells just very fruity. I smell the strawberry. I smell the vanilla. If there is rose scent, it's very mild. Very nice. Next, I have some brushes from YC Collection. This is the 3-piece brush set, retails for $24. Start with a fluffy blending brush to sweep color through the crease for a soft diffused finish. Use the tapered brush to pack and blend shadow across the lid. Then reach for the angled brush to add depth or definition along the outer corner. Blend everything together for a seamless pro makeup artist look. I do not need brushes, but it's one of those things that I see them and I'm like, ooh, okay. YC Collection. I've tried a couple things from the brand, but I know they had a cream shadow that I really enjoyed. Very nice. I did, of course, peek into my box. There is no palette, but there are other eye products. So I grabbed a bronzer and a cream shadow to throw on my eyes. And I'll go ahead and use these brushes. This bronzer is the new bronzer from Rare Beauty. I have been testing it out. I got mine in the shade Warmed Up, and I must say it's very nice. I'm going to use my Morphe A58, and I'm going to throw some on my cheeks, and then we will use the new YC Collection brushes to create a structure to my eye. Look how pretty that is. And heads up, I got a Rare Beauty item in my box. I'm very matchy-matchy. I like to wear products from the same brand together. This bronzer is gorgeous. I am working on my monthly favorites and fails, and ooh, it has been the month of fabulous bronzers. I'm going to take the fluffiest brush. This is the Y07. I'll go into my Rare Beauty bronzer. This brush is very flimsy, but I'm going to get used to it. It feels soft. I'd rather it be flimsy than feel rough on my eye. I do have my Morphe eyeshadow primer on in Chorus, or is it Debut? Debut, I believe, is the lighter shade that I have. I like this one because it's angled. I might use that for concealer. For funsies, I'll take the smaller brush. This is the Y08. Just to focus that bronzer in the innermost part of my crease for an added bit of depth. And then it's small enough that I can take it under my eyes. Very nice. Might as well continue with the eyes. I'm gonna add a little pop of shimmer. I pulled in a Morphe cream shadow. I have this in a couple of shades. This one is Sona Sona. So pretty. Next, I have a liquid liner that I got in the box. This is from JennDBeauty. This is the Mirame liquid liner, which, if you don't know Spanish, Mirame means look at me. It retails for $20. The matte black liquid eyeliner is inspired by fearless women everywhere. Celebrate your eyes with a rich, intense black that glides on smoothly for a precise, long-lasting definition. It says to give it a good shake first. It's a very pretty, modern looking package. Let's go ahead and test it. Well, that was very easy. Looks like it's drying down matte. Very good. Before I move on to mascara, I just grabbed my Essence pencil eyeliner. And the next product is from Morphe Beauty. This is the Batty Lash Smudge Proof Volumizing Tubing Mascara in black. Retails for $26. This innovative tubing mascara volumizes from root to tip with a smudge-free, flake-free formula that doesn't run or leave you with fallout, plus a lash-loving formula featuring castor seed oil, rambutan extract, and a unique, nourishing tripeptide complex that helps promote healthier lashes. I have heard good things about this, wanted to try it. I love a good tubing mascara. I'm glad I don't have a super bold eye look going on today so that we can test this properly. I love the wand. And let's just go in. Wow, immediate length. It's funny, some mascaras I make a mess on my lid and some I don't. I haven't figured out if that's just me or if it's the mascara formula or the applicator. Tell me if that's true for you. Do you sometimes make a mess, always make a mess? It drives me nuts because then you have to clean on your lid and I feel like you mess up your shadow a little bit. So far, I am not making a mess. Wow, that looks really nice. I don't know how fast it dries down. I know some tubing mascaras you're not supposed to let it dry. So I'm gonna go right in with the second coat. Look at that eye. That is really nice. We'll go ahead and throw it on the bottom. We can see one completed eye. This mascara is beautiful. Let me go ahead and put 2 coats on the other side and I'll be right back. I'm back and wow, I love this mascara. It is so pretty. It gave me length and volume, no clumping. Super, super nice. Very, very impressed. Favorite product so far. By the way, I mentioned I'm very matchy-matchy. When I saw that I had Morphe, I grabbed the Morphe cream shadow. I have their lip stain on in tamarind. What else is good from Morphe? Let me know because I am super impressed. And the last product, and the reason why I grabbed the new Rare Beauty bronzer to show you, is that they sent me a cream blush. I should say liquid blush. This is the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in Virtue, which is described as a beige peach. I do already have one shade. I think it's Happy in my stash. The description online says this blush's lightweight, cushiony liquid formula delivers a natural, just pinched blush that blends effortlessly and feels like skin, not makeup. Infused with hydrating ingredients, it builds beautifully without drying or creasing, giving you a fresh, radiant glow that lasts all day. I do believe the shade that I have, I think it's Happy, I will look, is a matte formula. This one is a glowy formula. Here is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and swatch it. This is not a new product to the market, but it definitely is a popular product that I'm happy to try a new shade and a different formula. I think what I'll use is my e.l.f. Stain and Tint brush. Put a little bit on the back of my hand because from what I remember, this is a very pigmented formula. So I will work off the back of my hand. Yeah, it definitely looks a little bit glowy. Yeah, this color is gorgeous. It's very neutral, right up my alley. Perfect. And it went over the powder bronzer beautifully. So I went ahead and added up all of the products in my box, their retail value, and I came up with $118. Did I get my $32 value out of my box? I say absolutely. I loved this box. Let's review. We started with the hair and body fragrance. I really enjoy it. It smells like a fresh strawberry. I like that I can spray it in my hair. Fresh, sweet, lovely. Then I played with the YC Collection 3-piece brush set. Very nice. I feel bad for calling it flimsy. It's just very soft. It just took me a moment to get used to it. I think these will absolutely get used. Happy to have them. Next, I have the Chica Beauty Liquid Liner. It looks great. It was super easy for me to apply. Dried down matte black. That's all I can ask. I will let you know if it moves on my face. Love this Kulfi tubing mascara. So excited. This is my favorite thing that I got in my box. Love a new mascara. Love a tubing mascara that gives me volume. Now, of course, I will continue playing with it. It is in its benefit that I have a softer eye look on today. I do like to wear a bolder eye look, deepen up that outer corner. We'll see if I can still see it if I do a bolder eye look. Maybe tomorrow I'll pop in a picture. For travel, if I have a light eye look on, which, as I said, I'm going away in March, I'm not going to do much more than something like this on my eyes when I'm traveling. This would be perfect. Tubing mascaras are so nice because you can usually count on them to not smudge or flake. And the last product was this Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush. Happy to have it. The shade Virtue is very much my style. It does have a little bit of a glow, but it's not a shiny glow. My skin just looks healthy and hydrated. Always something we want, right? I hope that this video was enjoyable for you. If you're curious about Ipsy, as I mentioned before, I'll have information listed in the description box below. I'll have everything that I put on my face, whether it was in the box or not in the box. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Do you get the Ipsy box? Did you get something different? Did you get the same as me? Are you enjoying your products? Or you can just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I love seeing your comments. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.